In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Grok app on your Android smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so for you to get the right Grok app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store. So from Play Store, if you tap on it, from here, you'll be able to search any app. So for our case, we want to search for Grok AI. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log in using your Gmail. Once you're logged in, now you should see a search bar here. Go ahead and search the app by name. However, if you don't see the search bar on top, you should see a search icon down below. You can tap on it to activate search. So I'll go ahead and search for Grok like this. And then if I tap on search, here we shall be taken to Play Store. You can see our Grok app is here. To know that it's the right app, first go ahead and tap on it to open, and here's the app, Grok Smart AI Advisor. Make sure it is from X AI. This is the same company that runs X or Twitter, and here is the official logo for Grok. So at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.7 with over 2 million reviews, and currently the app has been downloaded over 50 million times. To install it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and begin the installation process. The app is averagely 35 MBs, so this won't take much time to install. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open here. And also if you go to your apps, now you should see we have our Grok app. Go ahead and tap on it, and here is the welcoming interface. From here, you can now proceed and continue with Google or continue with your email or even your X account to start using your Grok AI app. So that's how you can install the right Grok AI app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.